Welcome back, guys. In this video, I will be showing you how to draw a simple combined hip roof framework. Not framework, roof framework. Yes, roof framework. A simple combined hip roof framework. So I'm using polyline, left click there. I'm just using some random measurements. Or probably I should use rectangle. Use rectangle and then a rectangle, rectangle again. Move M enter. Trim TR enter enter. I'm gonna change to my roof layer. Then I go for a circle. Circle from here. Spacebar to reactivate. Circle again. Go towards the midpoint. Then drag to here. Then go for line. Click here. Then click there. Click here as well. Enter. Spacebar to reactivate. Left click here. Left click there. Left click here. Enter. Spacebar to reactivate. Left click here. Left click here. Enter. Then I can now delete this. The first part of the roof, the first heat roof is formed. My next step is to break this part down into create a hip roof for here as well. Click to there. Then go for line, left click here, go to here, that. Then draw a line from here, line, random line from here down to here, random distance. Then I could I could draw a line here and then draw a circle. I could use M2P or well, I need to bisect this angle. Bisect this angle. So to bisect this angle, I'm gonna this could be done several ways. I could copy it. I could copy this line. Copy this line. CO enter. Copy. Choose here as the base point. Drop that here. Why I choose copy because this angle is 90 degree, which means that the bisector is 45 degrees. Then I'm gonna bring this down to that. Then draw a line from this point, line from here to here. That part is done. Then click this, delete. And that's the roof framework. That is the roof outline. Now to draw the roof framework for this, I am gonna draw a series. So this is one ridge board. This is the second ridge board. So the first thing is to identify your ridge board. And the rafters are perpendicular to the ridge board, right? So I'm gonna use line L enter. And I'm gonna draw my first perpendicular line here. Space bar. Left click here, draw next perpendicular line there. I probably could use construction line XL. I could probably use that. XL enter. XL horizontal. And I touch here. Then trim TR enter. Trim this. Trim that. So the key here is to generate is to draw start with these lines first. Then I could use Excel to get this, to get both of them at once. You know, if I could draw one side of this and then mirror the other side, which I would probably do. Now for this I'm gonna use double line for this roof. I could use single line or I could use double line. Gonna use single line for this one. Yeah, single line. But multi-line wouldn't make much of a difference. Well, what should I do? Okay, well, my son used the single line for the last one, so let me use multi-line for this. So ML enter. Now for multi-line, I want the justification to be 0. Scale, which is the width of the line, to be 50. Remember now that on the plan view for the rafter, the width is 50. On the elevation, it is 150. I then left click here, drag, enter, space bar, left click here, drag, enter. I noticed that my son used a technique which I think probably would save me some time, which I think might be useful. But I'm gonna stick to what I've been using. My next step is I'm gonna now use multi-line to go around these and draw the outline for the roof framework with multi-line. So space bar, I left click here, left click here, enter. Space bar to reactivate, space bar to reactivate, space bar to reactivate, enter. Space bar to reactivate. What I could do is just do half and then what am I doing? I probably should just do half and then mirror. Yeah, probably should just do half and then mirror. Don't bother waste my time doing both sides. All right, so now I'm going to um mirror. Well, use copy array. This copy array for this rafter. All right. Um, CO enter. Select this, which is to be copied. Enter. Base point would have been here. Then choose array. From this array, I need to select how many I want, how many how many sections I want. I probably gotta work with 5 or 6, enter. And I'm gonna enter a distance, array distance of 600, 600, enter. And that is now done. So I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of that. I'm gonna copy these copy. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna want for the other parts. I'm gonna copy some of these. Copy about 4. CO for copy. CO enter. I'm gonna choose here, choose here as my base point, and I'm gonna match this with the corresponding point right here. Match it with the point here. And that is done. So I copied that right there. Now I could further copy copy probably about three or four of these. Copy CO enter, and I'm gonna choose here as the base point, here as the base point, and I'm gonna drop it right here. Drop that here. Escape, that is done. Now I'm gonna explode these and then trim them. So for mirror, you must explode before you trim. Type X for explode, enter. Trim, TR, enter. For this small cutting edge, so I go down here and click on cutting edge from this. For the cutting edge, I want this first line to be, oh, I need to explode this as well. I need to explode this. X, enter. So I go back to trim, TR, enter. Then click cutting edge. Cutting edge is here. Then choose here as my cutting edge. Then enter. I can then drag that and everything will be removed. Yeah. So once that part is done, I could now mirror these down there. So I'm gonna left click here and drag to the left to select all of those. Then I'm gonna click mirror, MI, enter. This where the first mirror point. The mirror point is gonna be the midway the distance between these 2 points here. So I'm going for the mid. I think the midpoint is someplace here where the triangle pops up, which is right there. And then next one is here, enter, and that's pretty much there. Now I'm gonna mirror these along here, mirror these again. MI, enter, mirror. Then choose the other mirror point. Here as second mirror point, enter. That part is done. Then I'm gonna mirror this down here. Or I could just mirror this on this other side over here. So I'm going again for a mirror. MI, enter. Choose the middle of this, choose the middle of this point, the middle of this. Enter. That is now done. I could then mirror this section down there. So again, I click here, click in here. You could select these single if you want or double. I like to make it work easy. So next step is to click on the mirror, MI for mirror, enter. So first mirror point is the middle. No, I'm not quite sure there is a middle, so I can't use that. I'm gonna choose here and click up here, enter. That is now done. Now I'm gonna mirror everything here down here. I'm gonna click here. then type MI for mirror, enter. Then click here, and in the middle of this, which is here, enter, and that falls right there. That part is done. Now I'm gonna trim this, or I probably should use my multi-line first. ML, enter, before I trim this. Left click here, left click up there, then left click here, enter. Then explode this, click that, X for explode, enter. Trim, TR, enter. Then choose cutting edge. This is my cutting edge. Click that line as my cutting edge line, this line, then click enter. Then choose that. My software is acting up. Okay, that software is acting up. Escape. Trim. I could delete the middle one right here. No, don't need it anymore. Delete the middle line for these as well. Those aren't needed anymore. Trim. TR, enter. Select cutting edge. Touch this. Enter. And then select there. Wow, this is coming out looking away, looking like that. I'm not quite sure what's pixelated. I guess the software is acting up. The software is acting up, guys. Enter. Need to explode this. X, enter. So the thing about multi-line, you need a multi-line you have to trim it before you have to explode it before you can work on it. Very important. These lines come out looking at this. Not quite sure why. Let them stay for now. Now to tackle this part, it's the same procedure basically. Again, type multi-line, or could start with single line. Start with a single line right here. Then I'm gonna use line from here. I'll be doing half of this and then mirror to the other side. So I will be using ML, enter, and that multi-line starts from here, going down to there. Spacebar. Click this. ML, enter. Then I'm gonna use array. I'm gonna use array. or copy, use copy, CO, copy, enter, specify the base point is here, base point is here. I could use multiple to get this, and I could use multiple 600. I could use multiple in this one. No, offset is offset. Oh, enter, offset, 600, enter, select object, use copy, CO, enter, specify the base point is the center, array, if array, enter, number of array I want about 4, probably about 4 is good. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, or about 5, probably 5, number of segments I want about 5, enter, and so I want the spacing to be 600, 600, enter, spacing distance 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I probably should have added a little more. So I'm gonna explode these or mirror these or could copy these, copy these down to that. CO, enter. Choose here as the base point. Choose here as the base point, and I'm gonna click on the corresponding point here. Escape. Then I'm gonna delete this one. Delete that one. Then trim. I need to explode these because these are still in multi-line. I need to explode them to that break them up into regular lines. So I'm gonna type explode, enter. Then it's time for me to trim, TR, enter. And I wanna trim with cutting edge. So I'm gonna click here as my, oh, I need to explode this as well. Click X for explode, enter. Go back to trim, TR, enter. Trim with cutting edge. I need to click cutting edge. I'm gonna touch this, enter. That part is now done. Escape. Now I'm gonna copy, make a couple more copies, about 1, 2, 3 more of these. I'm gonna copy down there, copy, 1, 2, 3, C, enter. And I'm gonna choose right here as a base point here. And I'm gonna go down and click on the same corresponding point on this line right there to get that. And there we go. I'll delete this one because this one is a little excess. Trim, PR, enter. Cutting edge, go to cutting edge, select here as a cutting edge, enter. Enter, yeah. That part is now done. Now I'm gonna mirror everything on this side, mirror everything there on the other side, mirror all of these. When I left click here, drag down to select them. Left click, drag down to select them. Those. Left click here, drag down to select. Left click, drag. Copy. Oh, mirror. MI enter. Then I'm gonna choose here as well, mirror point. Then here as the center of this as the other mirror point. Enter. And that part is now done. Now mirror these. Left click here, go like that, and I'm gonna mirror MI enter. Put here one mirror point. I'm clicking into the center of this line. Enter. That part is done. Now I'm gonna mirror this on the other side as well. Click those three. MI enter. Left click here. Enter. Left click that. That is now done. And that is basically it. For this example, I probably need to add some labeling to this, as this one has values and stuff. I can now delete the middle lines, as that is no longer needed. The middle layer. Delete those. Those should be deleted. Middle ones. Middle ones should be deleted. Delete. Delete all the middle ones. Now I'm going to offset this to create the fascia board. So for offset, enter. Offset distance is 25, enter. So this is now the fascia board. And I need to do the same thing. Oh, that's already there. So that's the fascia board around the edge right there. And this should be labeled. For this I'll be typing MLS, enter. And I'm ensuring that the multi-leader style is on the one that I want. Now you can set up multi-leader styles or leader styles and choose one that you want. You simply type MLS and you can access that. I then click on this and I'm labeling these. So this is a hip rafter. This is a jack rafter. Turn off ortho. So this is jack rafter. All caps JACKRAFTER. This is 150 by 50. Enter. That is spacebar to reactivate. This is after, and this is HITRAFTER. This is 150 by 50. Spacebar. This is ridge board. Left click here, ridge board. RIDGEBOARD. Which board? Which board is 150 by 50. And the valley rafter space bar. This is the valley rafter right here. VALLEYRAFTER, and the same dimension 150 by 50. Space bar. These are the common rafters. COMMONRAFTERS, common rafters. Again, this is 150 by 50. Enter. This is a hip rafter. Oh, I think you have a hip rafter already. Valley rafter. We have, yes, a hip rafter here, not a hip rafter here. This is one ridge board, not a ridge board here, not a ridge board there. Typically we would have the overhang, we would have the wall outline here, but I didn't add that to this. So this is basically how this is to be done. Again, guys, thank you for watching this video on how to draw a combined hip roof framework. Oh, a rafter is missing from here. Multi-line ML enter. One rafter is missing from here. Enter. Then use match property MA enter. Catch this. Left click drag. Escape. That is done. So again, guys, thank you for watching this video.